Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Borderlands 4 crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PS5. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. First fix, restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on a PlayStation and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Second fix is to log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other, sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. If you have another secondary account, then log in with that and check if that works or not. Fix 3. Switch internet connection. First of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot. If possible, then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and then check. You can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4. Switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one works for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound. Then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now launch Borderlands 4 and check if the problem is solved or not. Fix 6. Restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to others and go to restore license. Select Borderlands 4 game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check problem solved or not. Fix 7. Disable enable HDCP. Go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP. Now check problem fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. Fix 8. Delete game data and cache. Make sure to backup the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings, select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage, delete. Choose Borderlands 4, then select delete, OK. Now restart your console, launch the game and check. Fix 9. Change DNS settings manually. Go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual. In primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit OK. Now launch the game and check if problem is fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit OK. Now relaunch the game and check if the problem is fixed or not. Fix 10. Reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. If you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Borderlands 4 game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you were able to fix Borderlands 4 crashing at a startup, crashing error, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading problem, black screen issue on PS5. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.